3D puzzles, or are they model kits with their flat sheets and their press out parts that can make into some pretty impressive models? You can explore space, build world famous landmarks in a variety of scales, even the ways to travel to, and maybe the odd flight of fancy. There's certainly a great range to choose from, so we've taken 6 of these kits to build and review for you, and here they are. Hello and welcome to Let's Assemble 3D Puzzles Kits, whatever you want to call them, number 2. And today we're entering the world of Harry Potter. As you can see, we've already built a few models from the Harry Potter range. We've got Hagrid's house just here. No Hagrid. He's actually outside Ollivander's. So, what kit are we going to build from the range? It's not going to obviously be the Hogwarts Express, this is actually, to me, one of the best kits in the range. We're going to be making another vehicle from the Harry Potter series. We're going to be making the Night Bus from Prisoner of Azkaban. So, without further ado, let's assemble. So here we go, the Night Bus. Let's see what's in the box. Well, pretty much with these, it's pretty straightforward what's in most boxes. You'll get a sheet of instructions and a pack of parts. So let's open this pack of parts and let's have a look at what we've got. Now already you can see that there's quite a thickness of parts there, and it looks like there's going to be at least 10 or 12 sheets. There's the bin. So there's 2, 4, 6. Oh, it even says Harry Potter on the underside. 8. There's your tool for holes. That's another one to add to the growing collection. 10. And another sheet, that's 12. Right, so let's see where we start. that's it. That's the night bus from Harry Potter. At 73 pieces, the night bus had some of the largest parts. Instructions were good and straightforward, and construction fairly easy. But care having to be taken not to damage the tabs on the opposite side of the bus you're working on. Especially if you're working on it on a flat surface, you might put pressure on and damage the tabs on the other side, which only makes the assembly a bit more difficult because you've got to straighten all the tabs out again. The build time quoted on the box of this kit was 5 hours, but we confidently managed to do that in a quarter of that time. It's a very, very simple kit. There's no internal detail either, only for the stairs at the back of the bus. There's no clear windows whatsoever, so they're just blacked out. So a very, very basic model. Not a bad model, it's a nice representation of the night bus, but one I think really just for the fans. Well, that's all we've got time for this show. We hope you enjoyed it and hope you enjoy doing your modelling. So until next time, we'll see you then.